In this video, we will look at some do's and don'ts about abstract classes and methods. It means there are some rules that you should follow when you are using an abstract keyword. So first of all, I will write one abstract class. I will call it as super. Yes, this is a dummy class. Nothing is there. I have not taken anything inside. Then, if there is an abstract class, I can have a reference of abstract class, but I cannot create an object of abstract class. There's an error. This is the first thing. Then second thing, I will remove this abstract, and inside this I will write one method, met1, and I will have its body. Okay, now it is a concrete class. If I don't give a body for any method, then I should make it as abstract. This was the second thing. Now the third thing is, if a class is having at least one abstract method, then class must be declared as abstract. So these things we have already seen it in the previous videos also. Now next rule is that if I have a class that is abstract, I cannot make it final. It's an error. See, I will remove this final. There is no error. Only error is shown here when I am creating an object. I will remove this line. So everything is perfect. There is no error. But if I make a class as final, then it's an error. So what is the error message? I will read it out. Illegal combination of modifiers, abstract and final. So abstract classes cannot be final. We will be learning about final later on, but final means if a class is final, then it cannot be extended. It cannot be extended. So abstract classes are meant for inheritance only. So if you make final, then it cannot be extended. So it is not valid. So it is not allowed. It's meaningless. So abstract classes cannot be final. Then next rule. I have a method here, and this method I will make it as final. So this is an abstract method and I'm making it as final. So again it is illegal. So if you read the message, illegal combination of modifiers, abstract and final. When you make a method as final, you cannot override it. But the abstract methods are meant for overriding only. So there is no meaning in using final. So abstract methods cannot be final. Then the next rule is, I will make this class as static. It's an error. So you cannot make static classes as abstract. What is as static? We will learn later on. Mostly nested classes are declared as static. So that class cannot be static as well as abstract. So modifier static not allowed here. This is the message we got. I will remove this. Then inside this, for a method, I will write it as static. So again it's an error. So for method also it's illegal combination of modifiers, abstract and static. So static method means it must have its body. We can call it without a object just by using a class name. So we will be learning about static later on, but just remember that abstract method cannot be static. That is sufficient. Then lastly, about subclass, we have already seen this, but again I am showing you. If you have a subclass that extends superclass, then it must override abstract methods, otherwise the class become abstract. What is the abstract method here? Met1. So I must override it, otherwise the class become abstract, and I should write down keyword abstract here. No, perfect. There is no problem. There is no error in the program. If I remove abstract, then I should override the method. So okay, I will override method, that is public void met1 and body. Now there is no problem in this one. So it must be overridden. So these are the rules that you have to take care, which involves keywords like final and static. Anyway, we will be learning about static and final in coming videos. So that's all in this video.